Hello folks, in this video we will be talking about some of the more properties in S3. So first of all, as we said, S3 is a storage space where you can keep your data in a secured way. When I say security, first thing that comes into mind is encrypting your data. So S3 provides you default encryption, which means you don't have to think about individual object encryption. You can provide encryption at the bucket level itself, so that everything that you are uploading into that bucket gets encrypted. So go and click on default encryption, and here you've got two mechanisms. So first one is your S3 managed keys. So it follows advanced encryption standard with 256-bit encryption, or you can use AWS KMS, which is another AWS web service to help you manage encryptions on your storage spaces. So you just need to select one of them and you have to save it or provide a particular encryption key. So I'm not going to do that. I'm just cancelling it. If you want to learn more about encryption, we'll be soon publishing a blog where I'll write all the things about encryption. Now some of the other features of S3 are that you can put a label on your bucket, which is by using tag. So for example, I can put a label something like owner of this bucket is say Ashish. Or you can give something like this bucket belongs to project and the name of the project. So you can save it. So this tag would be assigned to this particular bucket so that you can better manage your buckets with all these tags. Another property of S3 is transfer acceleration. So suppose you've got hundreds of gigabytes or terabytes of data on S3. If you just do it by clicking on the objects and downloading it, it might take a large amount of time. So you can use content delivery network of AWS to maximize this upload and download speed. So if you enable it, you might get some improvement in your speed. However, you can check with this link first that how much improvement is expected in your download or upload speed. So basically how AWS implements it, it uses its edge location and CloudFront service to enable you to get better speed in terms of download as well as on upload. So you just need to enable it and click on the save button here. Again, I'm not going to do that. I can just cancel it. Another advanced setting is requester pays. Now we understand that in S3 you are also charged based on how many requests you are doing on an S3 bucket. Now suppose someone has put some data on S3 bucket and he has made a free access to that. So bucket suppose has a free access for everyone. Now more people start accessing that particular file or particular bucket, the owner of the bucket needs to pay all the charges. So you've got now an option called requester pays, where you can say that okay, for number of requests, the person who is requesting, he will be charged rather than the owner. Owner will be charged based on the storage space that it is occupying only. So of course, for here, the requester need to have an AWS account so that he will be charged on his AWS account bill. To enable it, again, you just need to go here and just enable and save. So that's all about S3 bucket properties. In next video, we will go and talk about some of the permission features of your S3. See you soon in the next video.